If you run a business in the Sunflower State, this video will help you understand Kansas business insurance requirements and some of the other commonly purchased commercial policies available. Kansas business insurance helps protect your company and potentially your personal assets from lawsuits, claims, and settlements that can reach into the millions. What type of business insurance is required in Kansas? Kansas requires only one type of commercial insurance policy and only under specific circumstances: workers' compensation. Kansas requires you to have workers' compensation insurance if you hire even one employee on a regular basis, unless your business is involved in certain agricultural areas or has a gross annual payroll of less than $20,000. This includes part-time employees, family members, minors, and even immigrant employees. It is not required for independent contractors or domestic employees, though you should check to make sure any contractors you have are true contractors and not employees. Any other policies and coverages are optional for your business to purchase. There is not one small business insurance policy that covers every risk. There are different commercial insurance policies that cover various accidents, damages, and lawsuits that could financially devastate a small business in Kansas without the right protection. The most common optional policies are general liability, commercial property, and business auto. How much does Kansas business insurance cost? The main factors that determine the cost of small business insurance in Kansas are location, industry, claims history, gross sales, number of employees, payroll, deductibles, policy limits, years of experience, number of vehicles, and others. In general, the riskier the business is and the larger the business is, the higher the premiums are. Typically, small businesses in Kansas pay between a few hundred to a few $1,000s per year for general liability insurance. Speak with a Kansas licensed commercial insurance broker to get an exact price. Where do you get a Kansas business insurance quote? Call the Kansas Business Insurance Quote Line at 855-767-7828 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time to start your free quote, or simply click on the link below.